aircrafts that are zombies following stole the line. It was clear, but no liquidation because we know the problem of Air Namibia. You don't run away from the problem by virtue of closing. The problem is no job for comrades. The problem is no, we can engage in this agreement because there's kickbacks. The problem is now that we have incompetent thunderheads that are heading this institution. So we have to replace these thunderheads with the competent Namibians, which we have among. So there's no excuse at all. No excuse. So our position is very clear, and we stand by that position. We need Air Namibia. Air Namibia is a profitable organization. Profitable organization. If you just give the right medication. All of us, we're looking so happy because we are having the right medication. So when someone becomes sick, I don't mean that the person does not deserve to live. Just give the right medication. So let's remain together. Let's give the pressure where due. I don't know. The gentleman, the officer who was saying that he also pick up with the parliament. They are waiting. Are they coming? Parliament. Yeah. Viva workers, viva! Viva! Viva Namibia! We cannot afford any more job losses. There should be job creation, job absorption, and the state has a duty. They are talking about 8 billion. Where should this 8 billion have taken if it's not in Namibia, in the workers? These guys are so crazy, to say the least. It was a duty of the state to ensure that they pump money in the citizen. It's their duty. So tomorrow they will come and say that no, we are having a big budget for old age people, so we must cut. No! Money of the state meant for the people. And the people are the state. So the excuses that of 8 billion was so 8 billion and they are not even worried to follow how did the 8 billion trickle to the operation of Air Namibia. It only ends there. Then we have to pay the price. So let's remain united. Backwards never, forward ever. Backwards never, forward ever. Backwards never, forward ever.
Backwards never, forward ever.
Viva the workers, viva!
The national airline finds itself in today. The question that needs answering is, how did we get here? Who brought us here? Who decided to liquidate the airline? And how did we reach this decision? It is our considered view that the answers to these questions lie with Cabinet alone because they, and they alone, took this decision without any reference to anybody else or any scientific evidence. It is our strongly held view, however, that an issue as important as the national airline, which is a parastatal with the state-owned enterprise, needs to be discussed and robustly debated by the representatives of the people parliament, and not to be left to the narrow decisions of Cabinet alone. Political parties should not be allowed to take decisions with negative consequences for all Namibians in general and workers and their families in particular. It is keeping this spirit that we now make the following demands. That the voluntary liquidation process be aborted forthwith and that the shareholders seek other means to continue the operations of an airline under the name of Air Namibia.
Yes.
That a proper process of consultations at all the relevant levels be commenced forthwith with the trade unions representing the employees, which include ultimately constituting a proper mandated parliamentary committee tasked to investigate and to make recommendations to Parliament on the issue of the national airline. The investigation report, together with its recommendations, must then be debated and shared by Parliament for the attention of the nation at large, as the authentic and transparent result or outcome that we as a nation will accept. We now strongly urge you to carry the demands and concerns of the employees to your Parliament and Cabinet colleagues. We further expect to receive immediate response from your office and our demands and concerns. We would also like to add that the Namibian Airline Pilot Association is affiliated to AFALPA, which is the International Federation of Airline Pilots Association. Globally, they represent more than 100,000 pilots, have a seat in ICAO and other regulatory bodies. And we have the same view and concerns with them, and they want to oppose the liquidation. Attached to this petition, we have letters from different member associations across the world stating the same. I would also like to add that Air Namibia does not only contribute to our GDP and has a positive impact on the direct, indirect, and induced economy, but it is also a fundamental pillar of our infrastructure. It connects Namibia to the world and the world to Namibia.
Thank you. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Morning, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. My name is Mateus Kaholongo. Together with Ms. Saima Shanika, we are from the Office of the Prime Minister. We were directed to come here to receive the petition on behalf of the Office of the Prime Minister. So we have received the petition, and we will ensure that we transmit this petition to its highest destination. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
That's it.
Okay. We are now waiting for the parliamentary